Okay, this is Azlan Adnan, founder of the Green Party, outside KK Supermart in Jalan Masjid, Kampung Sungai Kayu Ara. I'm here to support KK Mart, but only if the price is the same and not higher than where I usually go, which is 99 Speed Mart. There are actually two 99 Speed Marts nearer walking distance from where I live. So today I braved the drizzle and walked a little further just to support KK Mart, but only if the price is the same or cheaper, of course, but it's rarely cheaper. And I've actually come to get 5 bottles of Yakult, which is $4.90 at 99 Speed Mart. I think it's a control price thing, control price, the Yakult controls the price. So if it's the same price, I will buy that KK Mart just to support them. Having walked through the rain and walked further to come here. Well, it looks like it's not a control price thing. This is Yakult, and it's $5.90 here, and this is Vitagen, and Vitagen, and instead of being $4.90 and 99 Speed Mart, it's actually $6.90. So much for me trying to support KK Mart. I support myself, so I'm going next door to 99 Speed Mart and make myself it's like that. If you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free, you don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.